Hey everybody, how you doing? I want to give you a really quick ukulele tip. This is kind of on the beginner into the intermediate. It is called a hammer-on, and when a hammer-on is done correctly, it will sound a little something like this. See what my finger's doing? It is hammering on. Okay, so what we're going to do first is this is the G chord, right? All right, now we're going to lift this middle finger, and if you play it without that, the chord will sound like this. That's actually a G2. It's a suspended chord, and it kind of leaves you anticipated for a resolution. And what we're going to do is we're going to hammer this middle finger down on the 4th string 2nd fret. So if you don't have your right hand picking that coordinated, you can also do it with a strum. You think you got that? Try it with your ring finger. Or even with your pointer finger. Those are called hammer-ons. Practice that. You can also look up hammer-ons on the ukulele on YouTube and stuff. Find various other teachers that might have different techniques. And have a blast. I hope I taught you a little something, something. All right. Later.